Hi, Professor. This is our week 6 video, and I, Kelly Schneider, will be playing the counselor. Carmen Arroyo will be playing the student, and we're going to start now. Hi, Carmen. Welcome to my office. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. Can you hear me?
I wanted to let you know I'm so happy to see you in my office, first of all, and I wanted to let you know that anything that you tell me will be kept in complete confidence unless you disclose that you're going to be harming yourself or someone else. I have no need to share anything that you tell me here in my office, okay?
Okay.
So what's been going on? I know you had a really, really traumatic experience lately. I'm so sorry to hear about your father passing. How have you been handling everything? What's been going on?
Well, I think I'm doing okay. I'm doing everything I'm supposed to in class, and I'm, attending all of my clubs and activities, so.
Yeah, I know, and I've been getting some really good feedback from your teachers. Your grades are doing excellent, and you're doing well in soccer as well, and all of your extracurricular activities. But I wanted to check in because experiencing something like this it can be oftentimes really challenging, and I don't want you to keep any feelings that you have bottled up. You have a lot coming up. You're on track to go to university, and I just want you to know that I'm here if you need someone to talk to. And if there's any other resources, is there anything in your day-to-day that I can help with that would maybe help things, make things a little bit easier for you?
Well, I just don't want my mom to know how sad I am, so I'm trying to do my best with everything because I think that it's already hard on her as it is. And so I'm trying to keep everything on my plate together.
Well, that's very thoughtful and, mature of you, Carmen, but, even your mom, everyone has feelings, no matter, what age you are, and your mom would want you to be able to express those feelings. What do you think about bringing your mom in and doing a session, all three of us, and I can help you share some of the things that you're feeling and experiencing, and the three of us could have a sit down together. How do you feel about that?
I think maybe that would be a good idea later. I don't know about right now, just because I know she's still really sad. But maybe I can just try to come in for a few sessions before her and just kind of get through it. And then maybe we can invite her. I just don't want to get her all sad again and bring it all up.
Sure. No, I'm being very mature about this, and you're a very hardworking student, and I want to make sure that I'm here to help you with whatever I can. So I think your plan is great, and let's continue to meet, just you and I. And if at any point there's anything you want to bring up to your mom, or you want me to bring up to her for you, I'm happy to do that. Does that sound like a plan?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Maybe just me come in for a while and then have her come in if it seems like it's going to be okay.
Yeah, definitely. And if there's anything in your classes that we can, take off your plate a little bit to make it, more manageable for you, I want you to share those thoughts with me as well, okay?
Okay. I guess I can let you know. I'll think about it over the weekend.
Please do. Please do. Okay, well, I have you down for next Wednesday at 2 p.m. I'm going to see you here in my office, and if anything occurs before then, or you have any other thoughts, change your mind, feel free to just, drop by my office. My door's always open for you guys, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Carmen.
Thank you. Okay, so if I cut it now and I save it, it's gonna take a minute to upload and all that stuff. We just keep going, or do I cut it?
I think you cut it now.
I think you should cut it just in case, because what if we keep recording and then all of a sudden the recording stops